Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video, and in this video I'll show you how you add Vechain to Ledger Nano X. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that matter, the very first thing would be simply for you to update your firmware. If it's not up to date, then you might be able to face some of the issues. Simply update it. Then afterwards, you gotta go to your app catalog of your ledger, and simply here in this section you will be able to find yourself a VChain T. All you have to do is tap on the install and simply install this VChain app on your ledger. Now the other thing is that you have to actually sync your wallets. So for that matter, you have to actually access this sync wallet right there in VChain, going to your browser and simply downloading sync. Once you have downloaded the sync, right, you simply will be able to sync your wallet. All you have to do is open the sync afterwards and tap on this create now, where here once you have done so, you will be able to create yourself in a wallet, and then again you're gonna go back, access your VChain app. Then afterwards you will be able to find this wallet section, including this ledger option on the right side of the corner. Go ahead, tap on it, and now here in this section you can see we have ledger, and we have three ledgers already over here. We can choose to rename them and choose any of the ledger as the method for us to receive the VGen tokens. All you have to do is tap on the ledger and confirm it. You can also choose to rename and remove it according to your need. So this is simply the method for you. Make sure to have the access to sync and install the VGen app, and you will be good to go. So that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.